Welcome, sir. Thank you so much. Or should I call you Bhera? Bhera, welcome. We have a mic for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. So after so many years of awesomeness, how does it feel to be called a debutant? Because this is your debut Telugu movie.
You know, I'm very excited. I remember my first shot speaking Telugu, and I had a bit of sweat running down my back, and I felt very nervous in a very, very different way. I mean, we come from the same country, but sometimes our states are really like different to one another. And going down there was a very exciting experience. I was very kind of Tarek, of NTRG, and for Shivaji to want me in the movie, because movies made in the South recently have been mind-blowing. And to get a chance to act in a film like this and to do that, for me, you're right, I felt like a newcomer. I'm really excited because I've spoken the language. It was a new language for me. And I love the movie, and I love what I've done in it also. So I am excited. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing that. We'll definitely take a look at Bhera glimpse in some time. But before that, thank you so much, sir. Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, Saif Ali Khan. ये हम करने वाले थे ना बाद में. Chalta rahe. Janvi, welcome and thank you so much for being here. I know you have this very busy schedule. Uske bawajood, hats off to you that you are here and you're traveling right after that.
In exactly 28 minutes. Pehle to hi everyone. Thank you so much for being here. ये मेरी डेब्यू फिल्म है और ऑनेस्टली ऐसे लग रहा है कि मेरी घर वापसी भी है क्योंकि मेरी फर्स्ट तेलुगु फिल्म है. So it's very, very, very special to me. So thank you so much for showing up with so much enthusiasm.
Right. And जो response अभी मिला है यहाँ पे, of course, जो units को response मिला है, उसके बारे में what do you have to say? People are like, this is the Jodi, NTR Jr. and Janvi Kapoor. We want to see them in every single movie. This is what people are saying.
Even I want to do every single movie with Tarak sir only. I had so much fun. I learned so much, and I think everyone knows what a big fan of him I've always been, and I think I've become a bigger fan of him after having worked with him.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you so much for sharing that. Janvi, please seat लीजिए आप भी, please be seated. Talking to him, I have to say this, जो कि पूरी दुनिया बोलती है इनको, जय NTR. Last time they taught me, you know, while we were doing this for RRR, they taught me that we have to say Jai NTR, and of course, the biggest mass hero of our country, NTR Jr. One more time, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Welcome. You know, this man of masses, of course, you've always कहते हैं ना, खरे उतरे हैं आप इसके ऊपर हर बार. Recently, you promised something to your fans that after watching the trailer, they'll be really proud of you. अब इस वक्त कैसा लग रहा है? What do you have to say to
जी
that?
बहुत नर्वस हूँ मैं पहले टू स्टार्ट विथ बहुत नर्वस हूँ मैं बिकॉज आफ्टर RRR दिस इज माय नेक्स्ट फिल्म पोस्ट RRR और वैसे भी RRR was with my co-actor also Mr. Ramcharan. This is my solo release after 6 years, so there is a lot of nervousness which is building up, but I'm very happy to launch the trailer of Devara in the city of Mumbai because the experience we've had when we were promoting for RRR was just surreal. I mean, the acceptance of North has just shocked us all, and I hope it repeats with Devara.
I'm sure it's going to happen this time again. Just one last thing, Tarak Bhai. You know, you have to talk to us about, you know, we know that your contemporaries, they've broken a lot of records. You know, every now and then we say, sales record itna bana, itne tickets bike. But here, nobody has seen the trailer ab tak. Nobody has seen it. But in North America, you are already breaking records. 1 million se upar ke pre-sales. Exactly. For the premiere. Again, I have to reiterate that nobody has seen the trailer, and you're already, you know, the tickets are just going off the shelf. And how? What do you have to say? How do you do it?
I mean, there's nothing we've done anything about it, but I think it's God's blessings and the love which has always been showered by the fans and the audience. So I'm always indebted.
You are fabulous. Thank you so much
Thank you
for
so
this.
much.
And of course, looking forward to the trailer. Please.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, NTR Junior, ek baar zordar taaliyan. Of course, I was talking about these units. We'll definitely